Hi guys, it's Mike again, and today I'm going to talk about setting up a choice in Moodle, and we'll look at the staff and student views. Just a word of warning, this is really easy. So, top right hand corner, you'll either find a button or a link saying turn editing on, so click there, and then go to the topic area that you're developing, and at the bottom find the link called add an activity or a resource. And then a list of the usual Moodle activities and resources comes up, and select choice, bearing in mind it's in alphabetical order, so it should be relatively near the top. So the first thing you'll see after add the choice, first you've in the general area, you must give the choice a name. So I've just given it the name tell me choice of topics of interest. And then in the description, you don't have to put anything in the description, but I've just put here, I need to know which topics you wish to learn, make your choice here. And then underneath, you can choose whether the topics or the choices are in horizontal or vertical order. And for some reason, my brain likes them in vertical, so I've gone for that. A little bit further down are the options. You can allow the students to update their choice if required, or indeed allow more than one choice to be selected. And I've clicked yes here, and you'll see what occurs in the student view in a moment. And you can also limit the number of responses allowed. I've said no. So on the right hand side of this screen, so limit the number of responses allowed, no. And here in option 1, this is the option that the student's going to choose. They're going to learn about HTML, hypertext markup language, or option 2 is CSS, and that's cascading style sheets encoding terms. And option 3 is JavaScript. So those are the 3 options that I've provided them in this instance. And also you can click on availability, and you'll see on the right hand side of the image you've got an enable feature. So if you sort of check mark the enable feature, then adding a date and time gives the students effectively a choice window in time. So, and if you're using the calendar feature on your Moodle course, this will appear in the calendar as well and give the students a nudge that they have to make a choice on something. A little bit further down are the results. So in the first one, it's publish results. So the default is show results to the students after the answer. But if you look on the right, here's your options. Don't publish the results to students. Show the results after the answer. Show the results to the students only after the choice is closed or the deadline is passed, or always show the results to the students. So it's up to you which one you choose. I would probably go for the first or the second, bearing in mind the students, in making their choice, they may want to see others and follow them. In the privacy results, which is the next choice along, the default is publish anonymous results and don't show the student names, and that's probably a good thing in this GDPR world. And the other option is publish full results showing the names. And then show column for unanswered questions. This is good, so you can give the students who haven't made the choice yet a nudge, and so on. So once your setup is complete, don't forget, hit save and return, or click save and return, and that'll be a good thing. So what? This is what the students see. Okay, so they'll click on the choice link that you've provided on your virtual learning environment. They will click on that, and in the left-hand image on this slide, if you like, you can see the 3 choices, and you'll see that these are check boxes, and therefore the students can click one or more, and that was controlled by one of your settings earlier on. Had you sort of selected or deselected the multiple choice, then it would be a radio button. So in this case, checkboxes where they can they can do that. Once the students have made the choice, they click Save My Choice, and they can see this pop-up event, this alert saying your choice has been saved. From a teacher's point of view, we can see here that 5 students have not answered yet, and 1 has chosen HTML and CSS, and this is just an example. It's not from the choice that you've just seen on the previous slide. And also from a teacher's point of view, what you can do is download the information either in ODS format, Excel, spreadsheet format, or text format. So that's it. My name's Mike. That's a little grey hair on Twitter, a little grey hair on the web. Hope you've enjoyed this, and if you have, please click like and subscribe to the Twitter feed, the YouTube feed, so that anytime I sort of create a new video, you get an automated email from YouTube. So thanks for watching. Cheers.